a girlfriend come give from Canada, come marry him.
Herd of goat. But they have goat and cow together.
Come marry him and carry.
Darkest hour, I wanna come for you. I know you've been alone. Oh, where do we go?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm at the animal farm. Here we have some rabbits. Come Moya. I take Moya to view the rabbit for the first time. Look Moya. What do you think about those rabbits? What do you think about the rabbits?
They're cute.
My cousin, she's gonna take out one of the rabbits for Maya to hold. Come Maya, let me hold your mask. I've never touched a rabbit before. Touch him, Maya. Hold him, Maya. She can't hold him by herself? Oh, let me come to the front then. So there's Maya holding the rabbits. What do you think about the rabbit, Maya?
Cute.
How does it feel? Soft. Okay, so it's a soft texture. Let me touch the rabbit. Wow, let me zoom up on this one, guys. Look at this one. Look at him. It's so big. I don't know if it's a he or a she. It's a he. He's very big. Touch him, make him come up, make him move. Come have it. Check his house. Whoa. Maya, look at that.
Big.
Very big. It's like you want to come out. What you want?
Come now.
I'm covering you. So sorry, Mia. He just got curl up so. Let me touch him. That's it. Girl, be afraid of you. Should I have carrot to feed him with? So that's it, guys. Have you ever seen a rabbit big like this? Comment in the comment section, let me know. Okay? Morning. Where we going next? Oh, so it's too big rabbit. Do you have a door around here? You know, it's my first time actually seeing a black rabbit. Look at his eyes. Oh my god. The eyes are very scary though. I didn't know they eat feeding. thought they only eat vegetable.
Yeah, they eat.
Okay. So guys, we're vlogging. We're on the animal farm. Take Maya to see the different animals at my cousin's place.
This is the female, the mother for all the baby ones.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
But she's big, but not as big as the male one.
Mm.
She looks nice to have that much baby rabbits.
Mm-hmm.
Well taken care of. Duck? What charm I never see them. Come Maya. Come and teach me about the duck, no? The duck says. Let me zoom it up. Here we have some baby ducks. Comment below the sound that the duck makes. Quack, quack, quack. Alright. Kids in the garden, they love animals. So when I teach them about the theme animal, it would be so nice for them to make the connection to actually see the animal, to see and touch, to feel the different texture. There's stone on them. So guys, we're at the other section of the farm. We're here to look at some guinea chick. You want to? Oh, these are pigs. You not hear me say? These are pigeons.
White dogs.
Oh, these
So
are.
if anybody wants to get married and they need white dogs, they can get their white dogs.
At affordable price or free?
Affordable price.
Okay. It's my first. It's my first time actually seeing dove. My first time. Oh yeah. Have you ever seen dove before? No. I only see them in storybook. Come on, fowl and baby chickens over there. We're in Maya to see the different animals. Here, baby chicks. Be careful. Over here, we have what?
Pigeons.
So we have pigeons over here. They're ugly? They're not ugly. Their eyes are ugly. I don't think so. It's a lot of pigeons. Okay. Be careful while you're walking, Maya. You have a cup? Where is it? Let me go on the. Is it right on the other side? So Maya, this is a cock. Do that again, Maya. Come on, communicate. Communicate. The cock. Oh my God. Alright, so. Here we have another cock. It's a cock, right? It's another cock, Maya. No, this one cannot lay. It's a man. And here we have some different types of birds. What are these? Next to these birds. These birds are nice. Hey guys, there's a big guinea chick.
Oh, that's a turkey.
Lord.
I'm gonna see the guinea pig.
Where are the guinea chick? Where are the guinea chick?
They probably have both. You have to wait till they come back.
They're very.
Yo.
Take the camp. Grab this is a nice one. Catch him, Maya. Maya, the kid like it. Leave him. You like you?
So we come on the people food.
Just burn.
Give it to them.
Leave him. Nothing can. They come in and nowhere want with me. They want with me. I don't have any milk in my titty. This face nice, girl. Come, Maya. Let me see if we can zoom up the camera. So guys, we're looking at the guinea chicks. They're coming. Continue to call them. They're coming. Careful. Have you ever seen guinea chick before? Please comment below. Can they be eaten, Tonet? Sir, can they be eaten?
Yeah.
They can, okay.
Meat nice.
Nice. I don't think I would eat it though.
One of them probably gone pan next, so three of them, I got 4 of them.
Okay.
But them have sense too.
Yeah, because we call them and them will come. Hmm? You can't go. Why you can't get again? Shh. No. Me don't know you can't go. Don't know you can't go. You just say goat. Yeah. Tap booty coat. Tap booty coat.
And there is a cow over there.
Holy fuck. So tell us it's like Jamaica.
No.
You see bird man that water tank?
Yeah. So that's a baby cow over there. We have more baby cows too. And you see the guinea chicks, they are coming closer. No girl, don't touch the guinea chick. Glenmere.
The complex.
No, that's not the complex. That's one of the house. The complex, they up more.
Okay.
Are they good? Those are the goats.
So guys, we're giving you a sneak peek of the goats.
So wait.
No,
no, look. You mean I think you're gonna check them video now?
true?
Send a girlfriend, come give from Canada, come marry him.
Herd of goats. But they have goat and cow together.
Come marry them and carry.
Grass. Oh. What you have for your farm, Jay?
Okra, peas, corn, peas, peanut, melon,
Wow.
and pineapple. Pine.
Where's the pine?
In the soil, it bushy up.
Oh. Where? Where called peas there? This is called peas.
Yeah,
Where's the corn?
here.
Okay. And what's that on the
Bean.
it's bean on the stick.
Start up on the can.
Oh, sorry, puppy. Hey Jay, what you have to
Yes, me go get some can.
Maya, you come here, Jay, you come and go and like say Jay farm or your farm.
But you say me and can farm together. Okay.
I reap, I can't reap man things, you know, and not one up here. Wait, man have peanut on farm. See peanut there, guys, Jay peanut.
Two of them.
Two? So Jay, what you have to tell the people them say? Jay, man. So this is a 7-year-old farmer. Very trying young boy. Jay, what you have to tell them? You don't know what you have to them? Hmm?